Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to invite your friends to play Gardenscape. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here of Gardenscapes where you can go ahead and get started playing. So if you have not already, go ahead and log into an account. You can use whatever, maybe Facebook or Google, doesn't matter, just go ahead and log into your account. And after logging into your account and proceeding to the next page, you can get started playing. As you can see, here will be your garden where you can see all the mini games you can play and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to invite friends to play right here with us in Gardenscape. So what we want to do guys is very simple and you only need a couple of steps. And the first option is guys to go ahead right here in the upper right corner and click on the settings icon. As you can see right here in the upper right corner is the settings icon. You want to go ahead and click on that. And after clicking that guys, it's going to go ahead and open up a new menu, and one of the options is going to be your friends tab. So in the friends tab, you're going to go ahead and find a button that says to invite your friends. So you can choose whatever way you want to invite them via a link, or you can use your Facebook, doesn't matter. Just go ahead and click the button and you will successfully invite them to play with you. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.